Hello guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to talk about what to do. For example, if you plug in your laptop, but it doesn't charge, and what to do in that case, how to go about fixing it. So as you can see over here, I'm saying in this picture, I'm saying you get this not charging. You have your charger plugged in, and it's not doing anything. It's not charging. So what you will do is you'll go into the device driver. Um, so sorry, device manager. Find a picture of that. Saying there it is. You go into device manager in Windows 10. Okay, and from there you click on batteries. It says there, and there will be two items listed there: Microsoft AC adapter and Microsoft ACPI compliant. What you need to do is right click on each one of them and uninstall the device. And when you click on uninstall, what will happen is you restart your computer and it will reinstall these two items again. Okay, so unplug the power cable from your laptop. If you have a removable battery, like on certain laptops, I'm saying the new ones, the battery is embedded within the case, so you can't remove it if you have a smaller laptop. So what you can do is remove the battery, put it back in, boot up the computer again, or power on the computer, and click on the battery icon in the systems tree. Okay. And you should see your laptop is plugged in and charging. That's just a quick video. On how to go about resolving this type of issue. Different manufacturers have different methods. So like the one I just showed you here, or I'm saying, talked you through. This may work. I'm saying this is like the first thing you do. Always remember, always restart your computer. The first thing, unplug the charger, restart your computer, then plug it back and see if it works. If it doesn't, then do what I showed you here, and that should, resolve it. Oftentimes, with computers, especially the battery not charging and stuff, if you uninstall the device driver and reinstall it, that fixes a lot of problems. You know what I mean? So try that and see how that goes. And I'll be back soon with another video. Thank you for watching this. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back with another video soon. Thank you. Bye.